Now that you know what is Forex, you know that Forex is just looking at the chart and predicting where will it go. Let's say that you're looking at this chart and you're predicting that it will go up. Okay? You come and you place your buy. But what if the graph doesn't go up? In case it keeps on going down, you will keep on losing money. So what do? Normally, we check the graph and then we say, okay, I'm predicting that it will be going up, but if it goes down instead and it comes here, I want the market to automatically close my losses, because when it goes down, if you predict it up, when it goes down, you lose, right? So you can select a point and say, okay, I want this graph to go up, but I'm predicting that if it goes down instead and come this side, the market must close automatically, like it must close my trades automatically because I have lost. My prediction was wrong. Okay, so you put what we call a stop loss. A stop loss simply means that if your prediction is wrong, the market must close automatically with your losses. Okay, so to put a stop loss is very simple. You place a trade. Let's say you're predicting a buy. You place a buy trade. If you're predicting that the market will go up, you place a buy trade. Afterwards, you look at where you want your stop loss to be, like where you want the market to close automatically, because that will be a false prediction, or it will be a wrong prediction. So let's say maybe you want to put your stop loss here, saying that, okay, if the market goes down and reaches this point, I want you to close automatically because I have predicted wrong. So what do? You check the level. Let's say the level is this level, and then you check the numbers here. So the numbers here are 5984. Then you come this side, you swipe, you go to the pencil, and then you put 5984 and 84, and you modify. So if you come this side, you can see that, okay, there is an SL there, meaning that if the market continues to go down and then you've predicted up, it will close in losses automatically. If you click this, the SL level, you can see it shows how much you're going to be losing here if the market comes to this level. So you can see that if the market comes to this level, I will be losing $7.37. So you can just drag it if you want to lose 5, and then you put it here. And then you say modify. Okay? So now if this doesn't go up and instead it goes down, when it reaches this level, it will close your trades automatically in losses, because if you can check now, we are losing 0.47. Remember, there is what you call a lot size. So if maybe you're seeing that, okay, I'm predicting, but I want to win more or I want to lose more, you put a bigger lot size. If I put a bigger lot size there and predict that the graph will go up, you can see that I'm losing 0.51 instead of 0.42. If I come and put 10 there, you can see that I'm losing $3, meaning that when I win, I will win a lot of money. So if we put our stop loss at 5994, let's say for the bigger one, we put the stop loss at 5984. So let's come, we swipe it, pencil, 5984, modify. We come this side and check. We can see and click. We can see that if the one with lot size 10, the prediction is wrong, it comes here, we're going to be losing $300. Okay? All right. Now, let's say that you're going to work. You have predicted and said, okay, the graph will go up. I'm predicting it will go up. But then I have put a stop loss, meaning that if my prediction is wrong, when I come back from work, I will find it closed with my losses. I don't want it to continue going down. I want it to close my losses here. You have placed the stop loss. What about the take profit? Like, what about the market taking a profit automatically? Because we've predicted a buy, let's say that the market goes up until this level. We want our profits to be taken because the market can go up to that level and go down. So we want our profit to be taken automatically. So we're going to look for our take profit, which is we can select any numbers here. Let's say we want to put it here, so we're going to take 6119. So we just go to the pencil, TP, we put 6119, and then we modify. If we come this side, we can see that there is our TP. So if we click the TP, if the market reaches that point, we will be making close to $1,000. Okay? All right. But if the market goes to our SL, we will be losing how much? $346. So you can see our stop loss, we will lose $346, but our take profit, we will win $1,000, meaning that we are managing our trades like a pro. This is now what we call risk management. Our prediction, if we are predicting up and the market goes up nicely, we're going to make $1,000 with a lot size of 10. But if the market goes down and hit our stop loss, we're going to lose minus 300. So in our prediction, we are risking to make a profit of $1,000, but we are willing to lose $300. So our prediction, we lose $300. If it goes well, we win $1,000. So that is almost 1:1 to 3. Okay? If we win, we've made 3 times what we're gonna lose. Okay? Okay. So now let's close these trades. To close the trades, remember I said you can click the 3 dots and you put close all positions. Okay? Let's now say we are predicting that the market will go down. So we just put a sell because we are predicting that the market will go down. Okay? So where do we put our stop loss? Our stop loss, because we're predicting down, is at the top. So that if the market goes up and touch at the top, we must accept losses. So we're just going to check where we're going to put stop loss. Let's put it there at 60.68. We are checking this number here, 60.68. We come, we swipe, we put it at 60.68. We modify. So once we modify, as you can see there, that's our SL. We are losing 508 if it goes to that side. So let's check our take profit. So our take profit, we can put our take profit anywhere we want as long as it's a little bit far. So we can put our take profit at 5919 and then we go and check 5919. We modify. So if we check our take profit, we can see that we're going to be making 968 if the market goes to our take profit. Okay? Remember, this is a practice account, so you must always practice. Predict, put stop loss, put take profit. So you can see our entries already making us $7 there. Okay? All right. So now, let's continue with a simple strategy, because now we know how to predict. We must have a strategy. What is a strategy? A strategy simply means something that helps us to predict. So in this case, with the strategy, we're going to be using indicators. So you just click that you just click that sign here, this one, you click it, and then you go to add, and then you add what we call relative strength index. Here we have many indicators, but you're going to be using the relative strength index. You leave the period as 14, you leave the levels as 30-70. Under the styles, just change the styles. Okay, you just drag to that side and then you select this one and you save. If you come back this side now, what you will see here is a line. We have added indicator, which is a line, okay? So this indicator is a line. What do we do? When the market touches the level 70 above, we predict a sell. When the market touches the level 30 below, we predict a buy. If we check on the chart, you can see that here and here, the market touched the level 30. If you predicted a buy there, you were going to make money. Okay? Here, if you can check, the market was at level 70. If you predicted a sell there, you were going to make money. So this is a simple strategy, as you can see there, okay? So this is a simple strategy that I like using, okay? It helps me to make money. So if you come to charts here, codes, and then you start checking different markets, you can see this one, the market didn't touch the level 70, so we are not going to enter. You can check this one, it has touched 70. So since it has touched 70 and it's a little bit above 70, we're going to predict that the market will be going down, okay? Then, because we predicted down, we can put our stop loss there and our take profit here, okay? That's a simple strategy. You just wait for the market to be above 70, you sell. Below 30, you buy. You can see here the market was below 30. If you predicted a buy there, you were going to make money. So now we have predicted a sell. We're just going to wait up until the graph starts cooling down. Okay? You can check, look for those that are above, enter trades. Even this one is above 70, we're predicting a sell. So let's check. Okay, it's not below, it's not above, it's in the middle. So this one you can see is below 30, we predict the buy. Okay, so this is how I trade. This is how I trade using this. So this one didn't touch anything, so I'm not going to enter it. So we can always check. We have different types of markets. You can check and enter trades. Cheers, guys. And then now I will be showing you guys how to enter trades and put the indicators, the stop loss and the TP on iPhone. Cheers. So guys, to enter trades on iPhone, it's very simple. You come to codes, you look for anything that you want. Let's say it's boom, maybe boom 1000. Okay. So let's go to another one. Let's use Euro AUD. So on this, don't mind my chart. It may be different from yours. Don't worry about it. So on this, let's say you're predicting that the market will go up. You place a buy. Okay. Once you predicted that the market will go up, and then you need to put a stop loss, like I said. A stop loss for prediction of up, it will be below your entry. So I will put the stop loss here at 1.77. So I'll just come this side, go to the pencil, stop loss 1.77, modify. Okay, if I come here, you can see. Okay, let's go. Let's put our stop loss at exactly this point here, which is 1.77, 347. So we're gonna go to edit, 77, 347. We modify. Then if you come this side, you can see there is your stop loss. For the take profit, because you're predicting that it's going to go up, let's try it maybe to put our take profit here, which is 1.78681. We'll come this side and put at 1.78651. We modify. If we come and check, you can see there is a take profit. This means that if your prediction goes wrong and the market goes down, it will close automatically on a loss. If your prediction is right and the market goes up, it will close automatically on a win. Okay? Then about the strategy, you just click this F here, and then you go to main window, you add an indicator, you look for relative strength index, and then put it as 14, and then that. Then when this indicator is below 30, you buy. When the line is above 70, you predict a sell. As you can see, the line here was above 70, the market went down. If you predicted a sell here, it was going to make money. Here, below 30, if you predicted a buy here, you were going to make money. As simple as that. Cheers, guys.